In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play So What by JXDN. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Alright, so we got a new song by JXDN, and this is called So What. It's kind of got a little punk rock groove to it. Reminds me a little bit of Green Day, the way this guy approaches it. It's in the key of E. It starts out with it's just like a sort of a one string muted on the E string to a G sharp, to an A, B. So that's just, the notes are open E, and then 4th fret, G sharp on the E string, and then A, which is the 5th fret on the E string, and then it stays on the A. It goes up to B, which is the 7th fret. Okay, so here's how it sounds like. Sorry. And there is a lick that I want to show you. It goes. That happens right in the beginning of the song. It happens also a couple different times. So that is the intro to the song. It's also the verse changes to the song. Okay? So by the way, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'd love to hear from you. So leave me a comment or a request or whatever you got. I'd love to hear from you. Okay. Onward with the song So What by an interesting name, JXDN. I wonder what his real name is. So the way the verse goes is, it starts out with just the single note. It goes. And it goes into the verse, which is that change, and it goes 1, 2, 3 times with vocals before it goes to the chorus. And in the actual verse, he gets into a little more of a chord sequence, right, as opposed to just that. It's really stark in the beginning, but then he goes. So that would be E, G sharp minor, which is on the 4th fret there. That's closed minor chord. Then an A, to a B, to an E. Lets it ring out, and the bass keeps pumping that, but it goes to an E, goes to an A, just repeats that, and it goes back to the verse feel, and there's that lick. Song. What's important about this one is to get the palm mute going. That's important, especially if you're playing an electric. I'm doing it on acoustic just because it's easier to show you, but you want to make sure you get your palm on that low E string or the lower strings, because that's the whole song doesn't really have a lot of high strings other than the lick, and then it does another lick on the chorus, sort of a. Those are the 2 high string licks, and that's kind of it's almost like you're tuning your guitar. You know, you get 5th fret on your B string, and you let your E string ring. And I'm coming down on the 4th fret with my 1st finger, as you see, and tucking my 3rd finger under the 5th fret for the lick. And you'll notice I'm still kind of muting it a little bit. There's a lick that can be played over the chorus. This is really a bare bones kind of punk sound, and it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of energy, and a lot of people are loving it. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. So What by JXDN. We'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.